Hello and a very warm welcome to the highlights of match 3 of HBL PSL 6 between Islamabad United and Multan Sultan's.
Oh, gone, caught behind. Looking to go with a point fielder. With and gone. Through point for 4. And boom! Biggie, beauty, love ya. Safe, not this time. Makes up for it. Here's one taken in the deep. Gregory celebrates for United. Cut shot and he's gone. Well, that's a great comeback by Shadab, and you can see him all pumped up. And taken at deep mid-wicket. Iftikhar takes the catch. And let's have a 50. So the 100 is up with 101 for 4, but the 50 as well. Roosh, I like him. Yeah, very good running catch and judgment in the end, because I thought maybe, just maybe it'll get away from Hales, but in the end...
Oh, that's up there. That's up there to be hit. And Brathwaite doesn't need a second invitation.
Bowling, beautifully bowled. Yorker getting rid of Rizwan. What a strike that is. That's gone up in the air. It's not going to be a 6. Hassan Ali is called for it. Takes it. Great bowling spell. Absolutely wonderfully done in the end. Not easy to bowl the last over of the innings, and he's done it brilliantly.
Beautiful looking shot. A little bit over-pitched and timed very well by Salt. Gets enough of it and will fly it all the way. Oh, full toss. Full toss, might get a wicket, does get a wicket. It's amazing how many times that happens in cricket.
That's gone up in the air. Will this be taken? It's a chance, catch, and out. Carlos Brathwaite. Oh, bowling, beautifully done. Quick through the air, straight as an arrow. Shahid Afridi has done it again. Top edge. Kidding me? That is a top edge that's gone for a maximum. Gone. What a good catch. James Vince, he's a tall man. Needed to be.
Oh, have to hurry. Oh, it's a direct hit. Multan think they've got his man, and so does Afridi.
Left arm orthodox. Enough on it. No! Gonski! Here's another one. That's gone all the way. Hits the board on the full. Fabulous 6. This time Afridi takes the catch. It's a mighty good blow. Afridi.
Oh, he gets enough. He gets enough. Poor delivery, pace on, Lewis Gregory. For Islamabad. And they'll win it on a wide. It was Richard Illingworth at square leg who gave the decision. And in the end, a comfortable win with 6 balls and over to spare. They win by 3 wickets.